So as you can see, it's got a white cardboard outer to protect the main cardboard outer, which is a black shiny effect, and there's no other writing on the box apart from on the top, which is the Tudor logo. So we'll lift the lid of this, and that reveals some foam to protect the actual watch box on the inside. The top of the box is a soft touch leatherette kind of effect with the Tudor emblem on the top there, and the base of the box is made from a dark wood, and you've got the black felt on the bottom with the company information. Now opening up the box reveals the watch, and on the lid of the box on the inside you've got the Tudor logo, and you can see it's quite minimalistic. You've got some ribbons which reveal cubby holes to store extra watch straps if I had those, or if you have those, and you've also got sort of this plain felt on the outside there. The watch is held on this interesting foam block there, and underneath that you've got the international guarantee card, and you've also got the GMT instruction manual and guarantee booklet. The watch has the protective packaging on it, as you can see, all these protective stickers to protect it whilst it's in transit, on the top, bottom, the sides, as well as you can see the QR code there, as well as on the bracelet clasp